Car won't start this morning, so I guess no farmer's market for me. But that's not exactly a surprise. We've been having a little bit of trouble with the car starting in the coldest weather, and it is the coldest weather right now. But fortunately, my mom did give me a battery charger when we bought the car, and it's already hooked up, so I'm gonna try that out for the first time today. Probably when the weather just gets a little bit warmer. And if that doesn't work, I've got a few people that I can ask for a jump as well. So I'm not exactly worried, but a little bit disappointed that I won't get out to the farmer's market this morning. But that's fine. I don't need anything. I'm fine otherwise. So I guess stay tuned for that adventure to see if this battery charger thing works out.